Recording. Recording.
As we sit here waiting for Roland to catch up, I had a little bit of a break in traffic that he did not have. He shouldn't be far behind me. He's been flogging that Goldwing, but so there was a video of a fire that I am going to stitch to this one, which me narrating it now doesn't really give you any kind of warm fuzzies, whatever, because I'm just rambling to kill time. But this is one of my roads that I take quite often, and where the fire was is at the end of this road. And this is actually a pretty fun road for being out in the middle of nowhere. This road is a serious shortcut to get to 68 from 294. No one takes it. The only motorcycles I've seen on this road would be me and my friends. I've never even seen like random motorcycles come down this road. They always take another road that's pretty well charted out on the map. It's called Runyon Road. And believe it or not, this is even a better shortcut than taking Runyon Road. And the bonus to taking this road is it's scenic. It's got a couple curves in it. And we're going to end up where the fire was on the what you saw earlier. Yeah, where all the fire trucks were. That was like 8 hours ago. That's how long we've been sitting on a motorcycle. I wish I had better software to stitch together 4K video. I try not to render 4K video. It's just way too time consuming. A 5-minute video might take 8 hours to render in 4K. If this pavement were on the whole road, it would make all of it just amazing. So here on the left is where that fire was. And it still smells like smoke, but that fire has been long out. There it is. So that house should have been torn down so many years ago. But I would imagine the owners probably died 30, 40 years ago. The family didn't want to do anything with it. till now. Be a great place to put a house, especially if you're doing like a VRBO. So I'm out, because my wife's bothering me in the middle of my video. So later.
Recording.